Shaw. Only do praise, no Tesla.
Hey Barbies, it's your girl Sadani Barbie. Today I'm bringing y'all this Amazon wig. It's 24-inch deep wave. I had went ahead and bleached and plucked the knots. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the foundation of my skin tone. I use L'Oreal Paris True Match C10 and Fit Me foundation in the colors 375. So something different that I wanted to try in this video, I just wanted to take this cream foundation that I had in like a very lighter skin tone and apply it in the middle of where I'm going to part my hair out so that it can give it a clean part instead of applying a lighter concealer to my part after I install it. Okay, do y'all see this lace though? Like before I even put the wig in though, like this wig is so affordable, you guys. Make sure you guys check it out. Like the lace is the bomb. So now let's get directly into the install. I go ahead and cut the lace into sections to make it more easier and a cleaner look. So after I cut it into sections, it's time to begin the install. I go ahead and cut like the extra lace like out of my face because I can't really see. Like I don't want it to be a distraction on what I got going on. So yeah. So y'all see the lace though. Like I keep playing with it, but I just wanted y'all to see like how melted it is. So we're using the Gummy Glue and Bold Hold Active. I'm mixing it together. The first layer is going to be the Gummy Glue by Amasleo Bay, and I just apply that. I use thin layers, and then I just spreaded it and let it dry clear with the popsicle stick. You guys, you just want to make sure everything is like neat. That's the only way you're gonna get a clean look. So if you put too much glue, you don't spread it out evenly or anything, you're gonna get a tacky glue look. And when you get a tacky glue look, when you put the lace in there, it's gonna look all stuck tacky and all mushed together, and it's not gonna be cute. Like, but the second layer is gonna be Bold Hold Active. So like, you know, I'm in Miami right now, so I need it to hold, but I did thin layers, so I don't know, but we're just gonna see. So I went ahead and did the second layer of Bold Hold Active, spreaded that, and once I spread that, it should be ready to do the third layer. So now I use my blow dryer to blow dry that glue before I put the lace in to give it that, like I warm it up basically like a microwave so it can be warm, and then once it's warm, put the glue in there so it can melt into that warm glue. You understand what I'm trying to say? So once I go ahead and put that lace down, I just take my right toe comb and like comb it into the glue so it can like really get a good press in there. So once that's done, I go ahead and take my blow dryer again and blow dry it so it can really get in there, because I'm not playing, okay, period. So once it's all blow dried nice and neat, that we all been waiting for. It's time to cut the lace. I use a eyebrow razor and I cut it in a jagged motion. As y'all see, my hand is going in a up and down motion, like real quick. So once you go ahead and cut that, like when you do straight across, it gives you that natural, that wiggy look. So I just cut it in a jagged motion so I can give it that natural look. So once I do that, you see that the lace is not all the way glued in the front, because when you put the lace down, you want to put it a little bit in front of the glue, because if you put it behind, you're going to be left with glue and it's kind of hard to get off. And once you try to get that off, it's basically fucked up your whole lace, because honestly, like, it's like, okay, you know what I mean. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. But this is how you fix it. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm taking the glue and I'm putting it on my hand. And once I apply it to my hand, I went ahead and take my rat tail comb and put that glue under that lace 2 times, not once, because one time I feel like it's going to lift up. So 2 times. Once it's dry, then you go ahead and take the rat tail comb and press it right back in. So now I just cut the earlobes out to make sure that the wig fits my head nicely. So right after I do that, you continue to do the same process that I did in the middle to both sides. So once you're completely done with both sides, you want to go back in and take the rat tail comb and press the lace into the glue with the blow dryer, just making sure everything is in that glue. So once you know that everything is dry, I just comb everything back to make sure this wig is not going anywhere. I sometimes tug it and everything, just to make sure that I know this glue is what's up type thing. See, it's not going anywhere. So but you see how that lace is kind of lifting right there. You just go back in with the glue. It's just something that I missed or didn't see to make sure that everything is laid at the end of the day. So now I'm brushing the flyaways back to get that out of the way and using the Got to Be spray to give it that melted look. That is the holy grail secret on getting that melted look on your wig. So once you spray that, you go ahead and wrap your hair with the elastic band. And the elastic band also helps with the melt. Like, it just presses everything in like a pancake, y'all. So it's time to style the hair. I go ahead and get it wet with my spray bottle, and after I get it wet, I use Garnier Fructis anti-frizz serum right after I brush it. I'm leaving the elastic band on for about 20 minutes. So now I'm using another great product from the She Is Bomb collection called the She Is Bomb Fuse Foam. It smells really good, you guys. So I go ahead and apply that into the hair because conditioner is going to give it that like stay together kind of look. So once I take the elastic band off, y'all should get this kind of melted look. As y'all can see, it's going to be a little ashy from the glue and just the spray. So see, I'm taking it, it's not going anywhere. So I take my She Is Bomb wax stick, also another bomb product. I apply it to the hair, like in the front hairline, and we're gonna like go ahead and press it with the hot comb to give it that slick back, like, you know, basically fix it up. Taking the Got to Be spray after the wax stick, because that like gives it the hold. If you just use the Got to Be alone, it's gonna give you like a white residue. So just mixing those together with the oil and everything in the wax stick, it gives it like a good finishing touch. So now I'm going in with the hot comb and hot combing through the front with the Got to Be spray in it and the She Is Bomb wax stick. Y'all can see like it's not leaving no type of residue or anything. It's literally just giving me that shiny, flat look in the front. So now I'm using the wax stick on the part also to give it that sleek look. And I go ahead and use the Got to Be spray also. So once I use that Got to Be spray, I go back in with my hot comb. I don't know, I think the wax stick, the oil that's in the wax stick made it smoke and stuff, but you know, my hair's not burning. So right after I do that, it is time to continue into the styling. So after I went ahead and applied some more water to my hair, I cleaned my forehead with witch hazel to get that Got to Be glue off my forehead, and y'all see that melts into that wig, period, honey. So that is it, you guys, Barbies. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, tap in for more content. Bye, Barbies.